Hey guys, my name is Basim, and in this YouTube channel we talk about business, dating, and how to make your life better in general. In today's video we are going to reply to a guy who asked us how to become more dominant. So I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that will allow you to become a more dominant guy. To begin with, there is a lot of video on the internet that answer how to become a more dominant guy, how to become alpha, how to avoid being a beta male. And the problem with this subject is very messy because everyone is trying to answer this question the way he wanted to be. Like everyone wants to paint himself as the alpha male, as the alpha guy, as the more dominant guy. That is why there is a lot of content, but the question is still the same. What is like to be a more dominant guy, how to be a more alpha guy. So that's what I want to clarify in today's video. For example, the muscular guy are going to tell you that you need to have big muscles in order to be more dominant guy. And the rich guy are going to tell you that you need to have nice toys in order to become a dominant guy. And the criminal guys are going to tell you like you need to do some shady things and rob people in order to be very dominant guy. And the list goes on and on. Also, something that I hear a lot of people is that being an alpha is talking shit to other people, but the reality is being an alpha isn't about trying to impress other people. This is what we call the myth of the dominant man. Like people think that you need to talk shit to other people in order to be really alpha, but the reality is way more than that. The reality is being a really dominant guy is about having a mission. It's about being free in your life to do whatever you like and going after the thing that you really desire and not letting other people take you out of your way or being shy to say exactly what you want in your life. Like be straight to the point and be honest about what you really want and go after it. It's very hard to go exactly after what you really love and not trying to impress other people, especially if you are young. But trust me, it takes a lot of courage and sacrifice to get exactly what you want in your life and be honest with yourself, because that's what will satisfy you.